Yeah, this is Tank, Melbourne, Florida. Life behind bars. Not these bars. These bars are what I'm talking about. Good morning, y'all. September 17th, Life behind bars. The Wild Dogs have a fundraiser this morning. It's 8 o'clock. Up early, ready to go and register by 10. They're doing a charity event for the War Dogs, one of the many that bikers do on the weekend. I'll show you a lot more once I wake up and we head over to registration and we'll talk about it. Starting of the event for the charity for the War Dogs.
Really?
It's my old lady, Cherie. And everybody's pulling in, starting to pull in, 10 a.m. in Florida. Nothing but love, family. How you doing, sweetie?
Good, how are you?
Good. Registration sign up. Right.
I might have a good hand this one. Are you sure?
Doing our poker hand here.
All right.
Maybe 3 more. Maybe 4 more.
Registering. Here we are, stop number 2, AmVets. Got a couple coming in. And this, folks, is what we do on weekends to help people out. All right, let's go. Gonna pull my card. A low one. I got your 9.
Well, you two can switch. What do you need proof?
No, I do. No, what I do is I do a YouTube channel, and it's about bikers that do good, not bad, that everybody talks about. Like this here, doing a fundraiser. See, the Wild Dogs right there, doing this fundraiser for the War Dogs. That's what I'm talking about. It ain't nothing about us being bad and beating people up.
Keith, do you want to sit here?
Yeah, I'm beer. Rain, shine, we help everybody. Here it comes. All right, we got Viva from the Wild Dogs. And how long will it take to put one of these events together to help support an organization?
Actually, probably takes months, but we will start tomorrow for the next one. We will actually be asking people, probably today, to help next year.
How much love do we have amongst the bikers around here and the help?
Oh, look at all the love.
We got lots of love. I never met Viva. This is our first time meeting, and we love each other. This is what it's about. You know better. Come on. Thanks, Viva. Thank you. That's just one group. There'll be plenty more groups coming and going throughout the day until we get to the other last stop where we'll have the fundraiser. Yeah, we're doing a video. We're at stop number 3 for the poker run for the War Dogs event.
I'm sucking at poker.
10 of hearts.
Not bad there.
Ready to pull our third card. All for a good cause.
There you go.
Bob does the same thing. No Bob? Remember he did that one time? They didn't have Bud at one place. They only had Bud Light or something. No, they didn't get it.
I love you too. I know I'm number 1.
Like I said, I used to have a Mouse.
Stop number 4. For the Wild Dogs supporting the War Dogs event, which is a charity event. Yeah, you know where this is going, motherfucker, right? Yeah. Yeah, you too, brother. Hi, baby. You like my pictures? Hey, say hello to everybody out there on YouTube. You know what I mean? That's right. This is just video. It's not nothing but love, but love. Doing that run. Oh, yeah? Yeah.
We don't go out. Yeah, I was going to go, but I didn't.
We're headed for our last stop, 117 Legion. Alright, last stop for the fundraiser for the day. Here we are. This is what bad bikers do. Raffles, hey! Yeah! I'm right here. I see ya.
My duty death was in 1970. He kept our freedom and our safety. His handler is Bill Schroeder. We're also going to honor military war dog Phantom, who is with us today. M534 is his tattoo number. United States Air Force Patrol Explosive Dog. He served 2008 to 2016 at the Iraq Election Security based in Aviano, Italy. He was adopted in his retirement by both Bill and Sheila Schroeder. I am very happy to present this War Dog Medal for each of these two hero dogs who keep us safe, secure, and free. And also a certificate of honor to honor them, to give them memory when they pass on, to appreciate them, and to create much awareness for these hero dogs. Bill?
This is Phantom. There you go. This is the War Dog Medal. And one for Phantom. And this is your two certificates are in there.
Yeah!
Thank all of you for what you're doing for War Dogs.
thank you. Thank you.
Put the medal on his head. Put the medal on.
Here, honey, you take this. You were good.
Whatever you want.
Good boy. Yeah.
Good boy.
What do you think of that?
Pitch caller, he don't care. Can you talk to the bad guy? Bad guy comes, talks to him. Dog's not supposed to bite. If it happens, we'll boo. Not really, we'll probably laugh at it. Show you now is everyone's favorite part. Bad guy don't want to listen. Bad guy's gonna get bit. Come over, Turkey. Our partners whenever we're out, so we don't have backup. They are our backup. So if the bad guy doesn't want to listen, wants to get frozen after he's already up, we're about to search, they need to be able to cover us and get our back.
During the time I come and do a simple search, don't make any sudden aggressive move. My dog will attack with you without command, you understand? Stay.
Good boy.
Alright, next thing you're going to show everyone is what's called the escort. If we need to transport the bad guy back to our vehicle, they're still our second man in charge.
Thank you, bad guy. Good to you.
Oh, he wants you. Don't run. Alright, who wants to see another bite?
Get him on!
He likes you! Oh yeah, he likes you! Oh yeah! I got that on video. Hey y'all, Tank here. I hope this video showed that not all bikers are bad and the type of charity we do for others and organizations, people out there. If you like what you see and you enjoyed the video, subscribe, comment below. I want to say thank you for watching my videos.